what God created in the beginning. Bereshit bara Elohim Hashamayim Ba'eres. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth, and apart from one another. So when you learn the qualities, kama quality, kama man qualities, A is available. B is benefactor. You bring money, you bring food, you build a house, man. Kama wewe benefactor. C is communicate. You have to communicate as a Kama man. You know, when you fail to communicate, you fail to communicate, isn't it? They say if you don't plan, you plan to fail. E is enthusiasm. So you can go one way, and each letter has a lot of it. For example, if you take L, loving, liberal, not liberal, but okay, loving, listening. You can put a lot of things, and you say, up to God is X-ray view. You can see through him. When you are in the house, Mama sees a man. You are a man to trust. You must be trusted, really. Yes, if you cannot be trusted, when you go out, you are peke yake, you unajua. Come on, man. You must come out. So, the Lord blesses us. Then is zestful. God does not slumber. God is awake all the time. He's awake. If he slumber, you will be here. When you doze, you may fall down. So God does not do that. He is awake from the beginning. And that beginning is not long. Because we only know to count ages from the Egyptian civilization. That was about 2,500 BC. Then Abraham was born 2166 BC. We begin ages from there. So we come a long way. When we say Anglican, Kama is Kenya Anglican Men Association. The word Anglican is also important. Both the Church of England. And we realized that England was where religious worship began in 2000 BC. Imagine. So along the way to where apostolic succession of these people like Clement of Rome, people like Papias, people like Polycarp of Phrygia,